watching. Tonight I was going to film a little bit of a catch up, but these just got delivered. It is the new mystery bags from October 2025. This is the Cobra Couture and the Wicked Luxe mystery bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these instead. I got the Patrick Ta Barbie collab. I got this specifically because I have wanted to try the Patrick Ta cream blushes. Ooh, look at that packaging. Gorgeous. And I do have the Patrick Ta lip glosses from festival season. I actually have that on right now. I just filmed like a little makeup tutorial. I'll link it, or you can find it somewhere in my channel. This will go up before the tutorial, so I'm not going to link it here. But look at this color. Incredible. I do want to film like a Barbie inspired pink look. I love pink makeup. I think it suits me really well. So this is called She's a Barbie Doll and Malibu Dream House. And literally that is the dream, to have a beach house in Malibu. It always has been for me. So this, look at this gorgeous component. I am like blown away. So this I wanted to compare because I have the Bisha, which seems like kind of a dupe for Patrick Ta. You know, the Patrick Ta are going like crazy viral. And I have the Bisha colorway, not that one. The one in Dubai, which kind of looks similar to the Barbie one. Okay, a little different. So the Dubai is a little bit more cool toned. And then this one, oh yeah, much more hot pink. The Patrick Ta is very similar in packaging, other than it has this little protector for the cream, and they're switched. Look at the embossing. Can you see that? It's the Barbie silhouette. There it is. I cannot wait to do a Barbie inspired look with these two, so stay tuned for that. And then the other add-on I got was these Hocus Pocus slanted tweezers. I somehow lose all my tweezers. I don't know what happens. Maybe my daughter steals them while she's playing doctor, but these were only $6 and I thought that was a good deal. So I didn't get too crazy with the add-ons. I hope you're proud of me, but let's get into it. So first I'm gonna start with the Cobra bag. I absolutely love snake print. I don't know what it is about it. And it has this spooky little moth charm. And I love yellow snake print specifically. I also like blue and pink snake print. I don't know what it is. Anyways, first we have the Golden Fade-In Radiant Whip Brightening Treatment Mask, a little travel mask. You guys know I love travel minis, so can't get enough of that. The Green Tea Foam Cleanser. Okay, I just got one of these same line products, but I think it was like the face lotion, so it'd be nice to put them together on a trip once and have the whole line. Then we have the JX Just Eczema Sparkling Champagne Highlighter. Cute. Really beautiful gold little highlight. Very cute. Then we have the Hey Honey Primate Luminous Priming Base. Okay. And lastly in this little box is the Beauty Vault Lengthening Mascara. I believe I already have one of these, so I will probably put this in a giveaway. That is what was in the Cobra Couture mystery bag. Now let's see what is in the Wicked Luxe mystery bag. So it's like a crocodile style with, again, the little moss charm. And it's got this crazy chartreuse lime green inside. Oh, and it did have two products that don't fit in, so I guess this is the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Ooh, look at that color. Very interesting. It smells really good. Weird. Okay, red seaweed and fruit enzymes. It smells kind of fruity. What a cool color. It's like a jelly. And then the other product was this Velvety Glow Body Scrub. And I actually do really like that the body scrub is in a tube rather than a tub. I like tubs because you can get all of the product out, but this is just so much more convenient to squeeze it into your hand. Okay, so first item inside the actual bag is this Pretty Magic shadow palette. Curious to see the colors here. It's like super cheapy and has some very chunky glitter colors. Next, we have the lip crayon with hyaluronic and Muted Love from TYS. Cool, it's like a super chubby lip crayon in this really beautiful, super wearable mauve color. There it is. I like that. I'll use that for sure. Then last little item is the Farrah Malai blush stick. I just got one of these in the same color, She Creamy. The name is terrible. That is what was in my October mystery bags, the Cobra Couture and the Wicked Luxe. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.